Today, I'll use AI to build a complete brand from scratch, including positioning, logo design, social posts, Amazon A+ images, EDM, website design, and finally, an ad video. First, we need to prepare a brand foundation. This is basically the core information of the brand. You can write this yourself, or you can use AI to help you generate it. I'll show you exactly how to do that in a moment. Now open ChatGPT, upload your brand foundation file, and type, "Generate 3 logo directions based on this brand." Wait a few moments, and ChatGPT will generate 3 different logo directions, and it will also show how the logo looks on the essential oil bottle. Then you can ask it to generate a few more options, so you have more designs to choose from. For example, I really like this one. It feels clean, minimal, and still has a strong design sense. You can click the copy button under the image, then paste it directly into the input box. After that, ask ChatGPT to generate 3 different packaging design directions based on this logo. Then, choose the packaging direction you like best. Next, paste both the logo and the packaging image into the chat box and type. Design a brand guideline. Make sure the logo, packaging size, proportions, and colors remain unchanged. Let's take a look. Now, ChatGPT has created a brand guideline that labels the logo, color palette, packaging size, and proportions. This is very useful because it helps us keep the product visually consistent in all future designs. Next, type, "Design an IG poster based on the product's ingredients." After a short wait, the poster is generated. You can see the logo and product packaging remain consistent. But one ingredient is missing here. It's supposed to have 8, but there are only 7. The last one, sandalwood, isn't included. So let's fix it. Type, "Sandalwood is missing from the ingredient list. Also, please add the benefits of each ingredient." Now it looks much better. Overall, it supports around 30 languages at a really high commercial-ready level. Let me quickly translate this poster into Chinese so you can see it in action. All right, done. The translation is actually very accurate. Also, ChatGPT automatically generates images in Instagram's 4:5 ratio. I didn't even have to choose it. Now let's try some e-commerce visuals. I'm going to upload the design guidelines so we keep everything consistent. Design a premium Amazon A+ image set for this brand. ChatGPT will generate a set of images showing the product use cases, ingredients, product details, and brand benefits. You can also adjust the image size. Click the aspect ratio option in the top right corner and choose 9:16. Wait a moment, and the new image will be generated. You'll notice that ChatGPT may add or adjust some text based on the new layout. If you only want to change the layout while keeping the copy the same, use this prompt. Keep the copy unchanged, but you can adjust the typography and font sizes. Aspect ratio, 9:16. You can also select different image ratios from the image settings. Now the copy stays the same, but the image format has changed. So remember, if you need the text or specific elements to stay unchanged, you must clearly mention that in your prompt. Otherwise, ChatGPT may automatically rewrite or adjust the content to fit the design. You can even try custom aspect ratios that are not preset. For example, just type, "Make the aspect ratio 1:4. Upload the image again, wait a few seconds, and it'll generate a long vertical version for you. Now let's try aspect ratio 4:1. These kinds of wide or tall formats work great for outdoor ads, website banners, and other special layouts. Next, let's create an EDM design. Type, "Design an EDM for this brand, following standard email marketing structure and best practices." Wait a moment, and the email marketing design is generated. You can see it looks quite professional. It includes a product introduction, CTA buttons, promotional information, and a clear layout. But these two images don't show the essential oil being used for body and face. So let's edit them. Choose the brush tool, select the two images, and type. Update the selected images to reflect body massage and facial use. No other changes to the page. Now the two images have been updated, while the rest of the page remains unchanged. Let's try designing a website next. Upload the design guidelines and the brand foundation again, then type. Design a custom brand website adhering to industry standard website structure and user experience best practices. Let's take a look at the result. First, you'll notice that the product and the overall design style are consistent. The website also includes all the essential sections, and the generated copy aligns well with the brand foundation. Now, I'm going to use this homepage to generate a design system. This works similarly to a design guideline. It helps ensure visual consistency across future designs. You'll see that it automatically organizes everything into key sections like brand overview, color palette, typography system, grid and spacing, core components, imagery direction, UI rules, and mini mockups. Next, upload both the design system and the homepage again. Then type, design a product detail page for this website, following industry standard e-commerce structure and UX best practices. This will generate a PDP. The overall result looks really solid. The style and content are both quite complete, so it works well as a first draft of the website. In the next video, I'll use AI with vibe coding to turn this into a fully functional website step by step. If you're interested, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Finally, try creating a 3x3 advertising storyboard, then turn it into a video with Seedance 2.0. First, upload your brand foundation and brand guideline. Then enter this prompt. Design a 3x3 advertising storyboard with smooth cinematic continuity. Each frame should be in a 16:9 aspect ratio. Avoid repeated shots and do not show a person's full face in any frame. Then the storyboard will be generated. These two shots look a bit too similar, so I'll revise the first one to show the essential oil ingredients instead. Now it looks better. Next, upload the storyboard image to Seedance 2.0 and enter this prompt. Cut in at 0.1 s. Follow the storyboard in numbered order, covering every shot. Generate a high-end essential oil commercial video with smooth cinematic continuity. Then mention the uploaded image. You can generate a few versions, then cut together the best parts in editing. Let's check out the video. For more methods on creating AI-generated commercial videos, check out this video. Next, let's test the workflow in Nano Banana. First, open Gemini and paste the brand foundation into the chat box. Then type, generate a clean and premium logo for this brand. For Nano Banana, some prompts may need slight adjustments to get better results. Once the logo is generated, you can ask it to create a few more variations, then choose the one that feels the best. Next, use the selected logo and ask Nano Banana to design the packaging based on it. After that, copy both the logo and the packaging back into the chat box and ask it to generate the brand guidelines. Then, copy the brand guidelines and the packaging into the chat box again and ask it to create an Instagram poster based on the product ingredients. As you can see, the default poster is usually generated in a square format. But ChatGPT Image tends to adjust Instagram visuals to a 4:5 ratio. So here, we'll change the poster ratio to 4:5 and generate it again. Later, I also tested EDM designs and web pages. To be honest, the results from Nano Banana were not as visually refined or design-driven as the ones from ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also better at understanding the brand foundation and extracting the key product information from it. Then I took the design guideline and brand foundation generated by ChatGPT, placed them into Nano Banana, and added a poster generation prompt. In that case, Nano Banana was still able to maintain good product consistency in the poster. So if we want Nano Banana to produce better results, we need to give it more detailed prompts and make adjustments through more steps. Now let's talk about how to use AI to help you write a brand foundation. Just send this template to an AI tool, such as ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude Code, or another large language model. I'll put this prompt template, along with all the prompts used in today's video, in the video description so you can download them for free. The parts inside the brackets, quote, can be replaced with your own product information. Here, I'm using ChatGPT to help me write it, and I'll choose thinking mode. Once it's generated, you can click here to see the sources and materials it reviewed. It may generate a lot of content at first, but don't worry. You can simply type, "Can you break down the decisions I need to make into simple A/B options?" Then it will organize the key decisions for you, so you can make choices step by step. For example, the first one is about the brand core. It gives you two directions. Do you want the brand to feel more emotional or more rational? Here, I chose rational. The following questions work the same way. Just choose based on your own brand needs. If you still feel like going through them one by one is a bit too much, it can also list the 4 most important decisions. You only need to answer those 4 key questions, and ChatGPT will also give you its own recommendations. After I submit my choices, I ask it to organize the generated brand foundation into a shorter, cleaner version. This way, you'll get a more concise and clear brand foundation. If you want ChatGPT to create designs that truly match your brand without writing long prompts every time, you need to prepare a complete brand foundation first. This helps ChatGPT understand your brand, your product, and the overall visual direction. This is just a quick test I did, so the example is relatively simple. If you have any questions or better ideas, feel free to leave a comment. I also have many other videos on my channel about AI image and video generation, including how to do precise image editing, remove watermarks, reduce image noise, and improve image resolution. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll keep sharing more practical AI tips.